Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn count and write from maths. Okay? Children, you all know numbers from 1 to 5, right? So, let's count the numbers from 1 to 5. You all will say along with the teacher. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very nice. Children, in your previous sessions, you have learned count the objects and recognize the number, right? You have also learned count and match. Now, in this session, I am going to teach you count the objects and write the correct number. Okay? Children, here I have kept some objects. Onion, potato, cucumber, lemon and coconut. And here I have kept the numbers from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we are going to do? We are going to count the object and place the correct number in front of that object. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Now, first start with onions. Now, let's count how many onions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 onion. So, we are going to place number 4 in front of the onion. Now tell me, this is number 4? No. This is number 4? No. This is number 4? No. This is number 4? Yes. So we are going to place number 4 over here. Now, what are these? Potatoes. Now let's count how many potatoes are there. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. No. This is number 3. No. This is number 3. Yes. So we are going to place number 3 over here. Now, how many cucumbers are there? 1, 2. 2 cucumbers. Now let's see, where is number 2? This is number 2. No. This is number 2. Yes. So we are going to place number 2 over here. Now, how many lemons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lemon? 5 lemon. This is number 5. No. This is number 5. Yes. So we are going to put number 5 over here. Now how many coconuts are there? 1 coconut. So this is number 1. Understood, children? Now children, let's see some examples. Now can you tell me what is this? This is a monkey. This is a monkey. Now, let's count and see how many monkeys are there. 1. How many monkeys are there? Only 1 monkey. So, we are going to write here number 1. Okay. Now, the next one. Teddy bears. Now, let's count and see how many teddy bears are there. 1, 2. 2 teddy bears. How many teddy bears? 2 teddy bears. So we are going to write here number 2. Okay. Now the next one. Candies. How many candies are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. Three candies. How many candies? Three candies. So we are going to write here number 3. Now the next one. Okay, there are so many balls. Now let's see how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. How many balls, children? 4 balls. So we are going to write here number 4. Okay. Now the next one. Muffins. These are muffins. Now let's count and see how many muffins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many muffins? 5 muffins. How many? 5 muffins. So we are going to write here number 5. Okay. Now the next one, flowers. Now let's count and see how many flowers are there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 flowers. How many flowers? 3 flowers. So what we will write here? We will write number 3. This is a cap. Now let's count and see how many caps are there. 1. Only 1 cap. How many caps? 1 cap. So we will write here number 1. Now let's see the next one. Fishes. Now can you count with me how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fishes. How many fishes? 5 fishes. So which number we will write here? We will write here number 5. Okay. Now these are balloons. Now let's see how many balloons are there. 1, 2. 2 balloons. How many balloons? 2 balloons. So we will write here number 2. Okay, children. Now let's see the next one. Color pencils. Now shall we count the pencils and see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 color pencils. How many color pencils? 4 color pencils. So what we will write here? Number 4. Okay. Now children, let's see the next example. Now here we have to count the items and write in the box. We have to count the objects and write the correct number in the box. Okay. On the left side, some objects are given, and on the right side, the boxes are given. So we have to count the objects on the left side and write the correct number in the box. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. Now the first object is pizza. Now let's count how many pizzas are there. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So what we will write in the box? We will write number 3. Okay. Children, you have to put a dot while counting. Okay. Now the next one is, there are French fries. So how many packets of French fries are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packets of French fries are there. So we will write number 4 in the box. Okay. Now the next one is burger. Now let's see how many burgers are there. 1, 2. 2 burgers. So we will write here number 2. Okay. Now how many glasses of juice are there? One glass of juice. So we will write here number 1. Now the next one, let's see how many cups of ice creams are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cups of ice creams? 5 cups of ice cream. So we'll write here number 5. Okay, understood children? You have to count the objects and write the correct number in the box. Now let's do a worksheet on it. Now here you have to count and write the number. Okay, you have to count the object and write the correct number. Now what is this? This is a blackboard. Now let's see how many blackboards are there. 1 blackboard. How many blackboards? 1 blackboard. So we are going to write here number 1. Now what are these? These are water bottles. Now let's count and see how many water bottles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 water bottles. So we will write here number 4. Now what are these? These are chairs. Now let's count and see how many chairs are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 chairs. So we will write here number 3. Okay. Now there are some boys standing over here. Now let's see how many boys are there. 1, 2. 2 boys. So we will write here number 2. Now how many tables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tables. So we will write here number 4. Now these are books. Now let's count how many books are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. How many books? 3 books. So we will write here 3. Okay. Now these are school bags. Now let's count and see how many school bags are there. 1, 2. 2 school bags. So we will write here number 2. Now here how many dusters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dusters are there. So we will write here number 5. Okay, understood children? So children, today we have learned count and write. Okay, we'll meet in another session. Thank you.